back to my channel. So I want to show you squishies that I got from my grandma on Friday. So the first squishy, actually I didn't get this from my grandma, but I got it on Friday. We went to Target and we got Series 2 of Squishies, and I got this one. That's the reflection of the light, but it's super duper airy, and it has like texturing on it. It's not texturing, but it's like these on the back. It's kind of weird, but next squishy I got was a Billy the Whale. This is my third Billy the Whale, but I gave one to my friend. It's really squishy. I'm not going to take this one out of packaging. Next squishy was this like reproduced blue pom-pom hamster. I'm going to take it out. Sorry for any background noises. Then on my backpack, I got this lemon squishy. And the packaging of it, it's by the brand I Love Squishy. And I'm actually sitting on my knees because if I sit on the floor, it's like that. So yeah. I also have some in my backpack. Oh wait, this was a squishy that was supposed to be in my last video. No, it wasn't, but I have this squishy. I didn't get this one for Christmas or on Friday, but it's in my backpack. Because my teacher lets us bring them for stress relievers. I have a lot of packaging of them in here. Where are they at? So I got this like peas on a pod squeeze toy. Your earworks screaming at me. I also have a mochi, and here it is. Mochi. And I have a pineapple and a green strawberry, but those are my desk at school, so I'll do a video on those probably tomorrow. But yeah, it's just a mochi, and it's one of my favorite squishies I have. A lot of people don't like consider these like squishy, but this is a squeeze toy, and this is a type of squishy. Oh, and the packaging that the piece came in was just this, and then the back looked like this. And how you put it in is you take this part, you put it in like this, and as you can kind of see, like the ball chain I think is supposed to go there. Supposed to go here, but I don't do that. I just like put it in there. I take this. How you take it out is you slide it, but it's hard to put it back in like that. So I just put it on, and then I lift this up and then put it back. But how I take it out is I go like that. And these are the different faces, I guess, but there's only 3 peas. 2 sides on each, so it could be, there's 9, but like this would be 1 pea, this would be 1, okay, these 2 would be 1 pea, these 2 would be 1 pea, these 2 would be 1 pea, and these 2 would be 1 pea. 1, 2, 3, 4, so like, I don't get it. I guess those are the different faces you can get. I'm not sure. But yeah, so those are the squishies I got from my grandma. Yeah, and I'm also safety patrol at my school. So, oh, peacemaker, whatever. So I have that job. So yeah, bye guys.